Hi and welcome to this new fabric build tutorial. Today we're going to create a lingerie set using the Simplicity 8228 pattern. For this project, I'll be using this beige stretch mesh fabric and this white stretch lace, which comes in 15 cm wide strips. I'll also need lingerie picot elastic, 6 mm wide plain elastic, and a bra closure. Optional but very helpful, I'll be using spray adhesive to temporarily stick the lace to the fabric before sewing. The placement of the pattern pieces is very important to highlight the scalloped edges of the lace. I encourage you to refer to the cutting layout in the pattern instructions. Once all the pieces are cut, I apply adhesive to the fabric pieces for the bra and cover them with the lace pieces. Next, I overlap the center front and side front pieces of the cups and sew them together along the center of the cup. Since this is a stretch fabric, I use a narrow zigzag stitch. Then I trim the seam allowances, press them toward the center, and top stitch them with a slightly wider zigzag stitch. After that, I attach elastic to the edges of the cup. I place it just inside the scallop edge and sew it using a zigzag stitch, stretching it slightly as I sew. Now I take the other elastic, the picot one, and attach it to the right side of the bra band on both sides with the picot edge facing down. I sew along the middle of the elastic using a zigzag stitch. Then I fold the elastic to the wrong side and top stitch it with the zigzag stitch, leaving only the picot edge visible. Next, I attach the cups to the bra band. I pin them in place. Sew. Trim the seam allowances. Press them downward. And top stitch from the right side. Just as I did for the cup edges, I attach elastic to the bottom of the bra band. Now I assemble the top edges of the straps. I trim one side of the seam allowances, fold the longer side over the shorter one, and top stitch. Finally, I slide the ends of the bra band into the open edges of the closure, the hook part on the right and the eye part on the left, and sew vertical stitches to secure them. Now let's move on to the bottoms. I temporarily stick the sides of the panties to the center front piece so that only the scalloped edges overlap the fabric, then top stitch from the right side. I attach the lace back piece to the center back, sew, trim one side of the seam allowances, fold the other side over and top stitch. Then I place the lace at the upper edge of the back piece, again overlapping the scalloped edge with the fabric. Next, I align the back and front pieces with right sides together and pin the lining piece along the lower edge on top of the wrong side of the back piece. I sew the side, trim the seam allowances, and top stitch as before. Then I stitch the 3 layers front, back and lining together at the crotch. I trim the seam allowances and fold the lining toward the front. Now I sew the picot elastic to the waistband. I sew the elastic to the right side of the garment using a zigzag stitch, starting at the center back. I join the ends of the elastic at the back, fold the elastic to the wrong side and top stitch from the right side. To finish, I repeat this process for the leg openings. And there you have it. Our lingerie set is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy sewing and see you next time!